Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read Boundless Love Triumphs. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Maria who lived in a small village in Spain. She had always been fascinated by stories of love and romance, but she had never experienced it for herself. Growing up in a traditional and close-knit community, Maria was exposed to the cultural norms and expectations that came with it. Marriage within the same culture and social class, following the customs and traditions passed down from her ancestors. One day, while out picking flowers in the fields, Maria met a young man named Juan. He was from a neighboring village, visiting for the day, and as soon as they locked eyes, Maria felt something different. They struck up a conversation and quickly realized they had a lot in common. They shared the same interest, had similar goals and aspirations, and most importantly, they felt a strong connection towards each other. When asked Maria if she would like to go for a walk with him, and she happily agreed. They spent the whole day together, talking and laughing and enjoying each other's company. Maria felt like she had known Juan for a lifetime, and he felt the same way. By the end of the day, Maria realized she had fallen in love with Juan. However, there was a problem. Their families were from different cultures and did not approve of their relationship. Maria's family was traditional and wanted her to marry someone from the same culture, while Juan's family wanted him to marry someone from their own village. They were worried about the potential rejection and discrimination that may come with their relationship. But despite the cultural differences, Maria and Juan couldn't stay away from each other. They continued to meet in secret, and their love for each other grew stronger every day. They knew that they wanted to spend the rest of their lives together, but they were aware of the challenges they would have to face. One day, they decided that they couldn't keep their love for each other a secret anymore. They wanted to be open about their feelings and be together without any hesitation. They decided to tell their families about their feelings. Maria was nervous, but Juan was confident that their love would be enough to overcome any obstacle. Their families were surprised and shocked when they heard the news. They were met with resistance at first, but as they saw how happy Maria and Juan were together, they began to understand the strength of their love. They realized that love knows no boundaries, and that their children's happiness was more important than their cultural differences. After some time, their families gave their blessing for Maria and Juan to be together. Maria and Juan got married in a beautiful ceremony, surrounded by family and friends. They were overjoyed and grateful to have each other. From that day on, Maria and Juan's love continued to grow and flourish. They faced challenges and obstacles, but they always found a way to overcome them. They were an inspiration to others, showing that love knows no boundaries and that true love can conquer all. Their love story was a reminder that it is important to embrace diversity and to open our hearts to love, regardless of where it may come from. Maria and Juan's love was an example of how love can bring people together and how it can break down cultural barriers. It was a true testament to the power of love, and it will always be remembered as a story of true love and cultural acceptance. After their marriage, Maria and Juan decided to move to a new city where they could start a new life together, away from the cultural expectations and prejudices of their small villages. They settled in a cosmopolitan area where they found a diverse community of people from all over the world. They were able to live their lives freely and openly, without fear of judgment. In their new home, they were able to build a successful life together. They started a business, and with their hard work and determination, they became successful entrepreneurs. They also became active members of the community, working to promote cultural understanding and acceptance. They were determined to show that love knows no boundaries and that everyone deserves to be loved and accepted for who they are. They joined different organizations that help immigrants and people from different cultures to integrate and feel welcomed in their new country. They also hosted different events and gatherings to promote cultural exchange and understanding. As their business grew, so did their family. They had 2 beautiful children, a boy and a girl, and they raised them to be open-minded and accepting of others. They taught them the importance of embracing diversity and the power of love to bring people together. They made sure their children were exposed to different cultures and customs and that they understood the importance of accepting and celebrating diversity. Years passed and Maria and Juan grew old together. They looked back on their life with joy and contentment, knowing that they had lived a life filled with love and acceptance. They were grateful for the cultural differences that had once threatened to keep them apart, because they had ultimately brought them closer together. Their love story continued to inspire others, and it was passed down through generations. It became a legend in the community, a reminder of the power of love to overcome any obstacle. Even after their passing, their love and legacy lived on, and they will always be remembered as a shining example of true love and cultural acceptance. Their children and grandchildren continued their legacy by promoting cultural understanding and acceptance in their own ways, and their story became a source of inspiration for many people who struggled to find love and acceptance despite cultural differences. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.